All right, guys, so this just in, Lindsay just claimed this is the coolest spot our family has ever been in terms of vacation. She has claimed it now.
Unbelievable. The natural beauty, natural landscape is breathtaking.
Tell me why. Oh, chills. Literal chills.
April Fools, we got you, little joke. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel.
What up?
What up? Welcome back. Ava, come over here, Henny. Can you say welcome back?
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Guys, we are up a little bit earlier this morning than usual in our Dominican Republic vacation so far. However, we come to you live today from
Scape Park.
Scape Park, you guys.
Woo! Can't escape the Scape.
A place we have never been. We looked it up online before we came. We thought we have to come here. This place has so many activities to do. Our goal is to do them all. This is not on the water, like not on the ocean. It's more kind of a rainforest location where they have zip lines. They have cenotes, which are like underground water caves. They've got water zip lines. They have an animal park with monkeys and iguanas.
They have caves. I think what's so cool about this park in particular is the natural landscape.
So pretty.
Yeah, the cenote and the cave, those are things that were just here, and they kind of, sounds like they built the park around it.
Yeah, I think they just built the park around it. So honestly, we have until 5 o'clock. We have an entire day. We're going to do it all. We are on a mission to do it all, aren't we, guys?
Yes.
So what are we gonna do first?
Hoyo Azul.
Hoyo Azul, which is like
the water.
basically it's a deep, they call it the deep blue water hole. So we're gonna head over to the blue hole. Ava, do you want to do the monkeys too later?
What is that?
A monkey,
Yeah.
like an animal. Yeah?
Let's get the vlog here.
Ooh, get out of my way. Get out of my shot, kid.
Get out of my shot, kid.
Gosh. Ava, you want to take a picture with this one too?
No.
All right, guys, we are headed over to Hoyo Azul, the blue hole.
It's not Hoy, it's Hoyo.
Hoyo Azul, the blue hole. I'm not gonna challenge Lindsay on that one. She seems quite confident.
Justin thinks he can speak Spanish better than me, but he just pronounced an H.
Well, I don't want to make it a public competition on YouTube, but I'm going to. I speak Italian fluently. You took 6 years of Spanish in America. I think I'm probably gonna have you beat on who can speak the Latin-based language better.
Let's go to Hoy Azul, guys. Let's go to Hoy Azul.
Vámonos, muchachos! Peanut, are we ready? Or are we gonna jump or just get in?
Just get in.
Turbo, we jumping or we getting in?
Jumping.
Jump in. Ash, you jumping?
Yeah, jumping.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, get out of here.
I'm gonna go jump down. I'm scared.
Dude, that was perfect, Ash. Lando, you ready to jump? You haven't jumped yet. Yeah. First jump, here we go, baby.
I'm ready.
Into a beautiful canal.
Okay, ready?
All right, Ava, tell us where we're going here.
We're in the Iguana.
Iguana land. So guys, Iguana land, these things are like dinosaurs. Can you believe that? They're like dinosaurs.
Yeah, and they are really camouflaged, so I couldn't really see that one because it was camouflaged with the rock.
Yeah, let's go look. There's a lot. Oh my gosh, they're like everywhere. Guys, there's a ton of iguanas in here. Before we explore Iguana land, however, Hoyo Azul, how was it, Tur?
The water was super clear and pretty.
It was pretty nice, huh?
Yeah, the cliff was fun too.
Ashley threw a front flip. Turner's throwing footballs off the cliff's edge. We met some friends that encouraged you to do a front flip, and you totally nailed it.
Yep.
So guys, I think so far we are quite impressed with this beautiful skate park. Lots to do. We're now checking off the watering hole, the blue hole, if you will. Now we're doing iguana lands, and we're gonna do a little lunch. Let's get close up and personal with these iguanas.
We're stopping for lunch.
For a little lunch. Woo! We got chicken strips, chicken Caesar salad, which is a unique choice, but we'll see if you like it.
No, I love it.
You love it? Okay, we'll see.
I'm gonna try Mommy's if I want that.
Try Mommy's salad. This guy got a salad.
Grandma's chicken salad.
I got a chicken burger.
Oh yeah, he loves cheese.
Hey guys, can we actually, family council, Mom, with YouTube? I'm being told, first of all, I got called Rob Gronkowski a second time today, but Lindsay doesn't like the shades. Will you guys just please decide?
I like the guy, I just don't like the shade.
Yeah, will you just maybe decide if they should kick it or keep it on the shades? Just let me know. Keep it?
It's the combo of the shade, the chain, and the tropical outfit.
They say I look like Uncle Rico.
Back in '82, I used to be able to throw a pigskin a quarter mile.
Ava, keep it, huh? Right, you're my peanut. Okay, so we just did a little research here. We found out that Ava is tall enough to do the zip lines. This little girl, she's only like 6 years old, almost 7 though. And she's brave enough to do zip lines. Kind of crazy. She already jumped off a cliff today. So right now they close for lunch, the zip lines. So we're headed over to do the cave swim. I would say,
Take you seriously in those glasses.
hard to take me serious.
You can throw a football over that mountain.
How much you want to make a bet I can throw a football over the mountains?
So we're all gonna do the cave swim. And then when they open up the zip lines, that's where we're going next. Here we go. Down into the cave we go. All right, Ava, ready? Here, come with me. I got you.
You go first.
I'll go first.
It's freezing.
Ava feels good, I want her.
It's not bad, I promise. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. How's this, King? Ball. Oh my.
It's
You wanna go under with me?
cool. Oh no.
It's fun.
No,
Ready?
no.
Just put your face under. 1, 2, 3, go. Ava, you gonna go? Yeah. Oh, look at this. We got a bug in Turn's hair.
No way.
Dude, oh my gosh, look at that. That's gross. Not really. Ash Bash, you ready for this? Lando?
Yeah, I'm
You
ready.
All right. All right, guys, so we are doing the famous zip line over here at Scape Park. My turn? Hola. Hola, amigo.
Venga, mi amigo, vamos por el equipo. Hola, mi amigo.
Hey.
Por aquí.
Thank you, Miguel.
Thank you.
We're gonna have a little guide here to come with us. They're gonna help us. Miguel's gonna help Landon out here today because we got all 4 kids going on this thing. This is no joke here.
I can't believe this little girl
Are
is
you
brave
ready?
enough to do this.
Are you ready? You're gonna be going on zip lines. Ash, you feel nervous over here?
Okay, the anticipation of the first one is always the worst. Ava, nervous? Ashy, nervous?
Yeah.
Lando, are you nervous? Yeah. Turn, you nervous? Woo! Go Lando! All right, turns up. First time, zip lining. Go turn. Any last word?
Say, see ya, baby.
Woo!
Yeah.
Go Ashy, my brave boy.
Bye, Ash. Okay, Mama, you're next.
All right, I'm up. Hold these with one hand. Mama's going zip lining. Coming, boys!
Yeah, Mom, that's so much fun.
Ava, look at me. Hello.
That's my sister.
That's my sister. Did you hear him? Eva!
Did you like it? You're so bad.
Not too scary because the trees are so tall.
Not as scary as you thought?
No. Trees are so tall.
Did you like it?
That was fun.
Did you like it?
I loved that. I loved it.
Really, what do you think of zip lining?
That's sick.
It's awesome. Did you love it?
Guys, Miguel has just taken my place. And he's carrying Lando up the stairs here. What a guy, what a guy. Come on home. Going on this one right now. Feel a little scared? No? You don't seem to be scared about anything. Ready, set, go. Guys, we are on a floating bridge right now. This is a floating bridge. Ava! Whee! Yeah, buddy! Oh, Azul! Crawling through our little cave adventure here, aren't we, Ava? Oh boy, can we fit? Yes, we can. Hooah!
You made it!
Woo! Ashy!
You hold the cable.
That one right there. Pull yourself in. Yeah. Dang her. All right, guys, here comes Ava. Watching her has been the highlight just because she is so little. She's so little, these guys actually have to go out on the line to get her. She's just so little. Just way enough to come all the way in. What up, girl? How are you?
That was so fast.
Vámonos! Now let go!
Let go.
All right, guys, so this just in, Lindsay just claimed this is the coolest spot our family has ever been in terms of vacation. She has claimed it now.
Unbelievable. The natural beauty, natural landscape is breathtaking.
I think that's really what does it for this place, is it's really natural. Sure, some of this stuff has been, like there's laid cement here probably to like create more of a pool, but all of this is natural and that's what makes it so gorgeous. This water is perfectly clean. Look.
Ziplining hundreds of feet up over the beautiful green rainforest was
Unbelievable.
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 I mean, we live in the desert, so this is just, the kids have never experienced anything like this. In fact, I just have to talk about how brave our kids were on that zipline.
Oh my God.
I was proud of every single one of them, but Ava, our little 6-year-old.
There she is right here. Did you have so much fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then hang on, big shout out to Lando though.
Oh, yeah.
Like a champ with Miguel going on zip lines, going like 50 miles an hour.
I don't think so.
It was fast.
Yeah.
So if you didn't notice, we had a tour guide, Miguel, who came with us personally just to help Landon. There was a guy at the front and he said, I'm going to send a tour guide with you to make it easier. He's professional, he knows what he's doing, and that ended up being the biggest blessing. We were so grateful for him.
Huge blessing to have him there.
I kept
Super
telling
helpful.
him he was the man. La mejor.
La mejor.
But really, cute little Ava, she didn't even look like she should be up there. The gear was just so big on her, I was dying.
Yeah, she didn't even hesitate. She just was like, yeah, let's go.
I was more scared.
Vámonos.
I was more scared than she was. I told Justin, sometimes the scariest part is just worrying that all of my babies are safe up there. Lemonade? Lemonade? Yeah. Lemonade. Gracias, muchas gracias.
Should I get a virgin pina colada there, dear? Tips? No, I ain't giving you a tip.
No, get your GoPro.
Hey! What a day! And it is coming to an end. We are now walking back towards our transport back to the beautiful Nickelodeon Hotel. Lando, how was it, my friend?
It was good.
Highlight for you?
Good. It was amazing, fantastic, unbelievable, incredible.
Yeah.
Give me the highlights, Lando. What's the
Spectacular.
highlights?
Probably not the water zip line, but the other one.
The big zip line.
Yeah.
Sure? Give us highlights.
The big zip line, the waterfall, and the cliff by the blue thing.
Oh, the cliff, the jumping up. Okay.
Everything. The funny story about
everything,
the funny
simple,
story about
everything.
me though is I was scared about like almost every single thing like we did. But
You're a
then
little nervous, but
once
the second you saw it, you're like, yeah, I'm not scared. I'm jumping in that.
Yep.
The underwater cave was a little bit nervous at first, but it really wasn't that deep. What was eerie, the fact that it was really deep in some sections. You couldn't go to them. There was tunnels in there. They don't let you explore, but they were pitch black. Tara and I went down there, goggles, just peeked our head in, and of course you can't see anything, but you could tell they go very far back there. That was pretty cool. Ava, come over here, girl.
The color of the water all the way down in that cave, wow.
Unbelievable, right?
Unbelievable.
Just, I think the natural ecosystem here, I think, is what's most incredible. All right, give me highlights, girl.
It was really so fun. The water was really refreshing, and it was just fun.
Really refreshing, she says.
Now turn around. Oh my goodness, he's following you. Monkey see, monkey do. Oh my gosh, how funny.
All right, guys, we've made it back to the beautiful Nickelodeon Resort, and we are about to eat at yet again another wonderful restaurant. We've actually been pretty exploratory during this time here. We haven't repeated eating at any place for dinner yet. And honestly, they have a lot of really fun options that are non-restaurant based. In other words, they have like buffets randomly throughout like the resort. Like tonight, they were supposed to have a Taste of the World event. Looks like they had canceled. We had that orange carpet event where unfortunately, that was canceled as well because of the weather. But that was also, again, some sort of buffet, not in a restaurant per se. But restaurant-wise, we've eaten it, well, not all of them yet, but we're checking them off. Tonight was one that we've been eyeballing now for a little while, right?
We walked past it, the first one, every single time. So tonight we're eating at an Asian place called Wok Wok. It looks really good because I love Asian food.
Yeah, we love, sushi, as you guys know, and things like that.
I thought you liked sushi.
Sushi! Sushi!
It's a beautiful, peaceful evening right now. We're just chilling outside. We actually chose to sit outside rather than inside.
The weather's good.
Weather's amazing. We're just kind of hanging out. Live music's about to start. Yeah, I think we're just tired. Ava fell asleep on the bus. Excited to get some good food in our bellies.
Yawning. I just yawned twice, actually.
And then I think maybe we're going to go swim back at the pool, right?
Yeah.
Is that the plan? Right outside our room?
We never stop swimming.
You guys are non-stop over here, man. We've only got 2 more days, though. Dos más días. Aquí. A Punta Cana.
If he said that wrong, comment down below.
All right, you guys, just turning eye closing tonight. In fact, Lindsay is hard at work right now as we speak, editing clips, stories, reels to go on her Instagram. Be sure to go over there and check it out because she's doing an incredible job posting about our adventures. Totally different perspective than you're gonna get on YouTube. So be sure to head on over to her Instagram to check those out. I would say today was an absolute win.
Amazing.
Unbelievable experience.
So many cool things to do at that park.
What was so amazing is, first of all, how kind the people were there to Sweet Landon especially.
Nice.
That made the experience even more sweet. Absolutely. And then just the kindness of this guy here helping Lana throughout the entire park. And the fact that Ava's now old enough to do some of these things that generally maybe she couldn't have done in years past.
And our whole family can go.
Yeah, now our whole family can go and enjoy these kind of wild, adventurous experiences. There's one more left for this trip, and it's tomorrow. So be sure to come back to hang out with us. We're going on a little bit of a sailing adventure, we'll say, to an island. So be sure to come back tomorrow. Guys, thanks for hanging out with us. Hope you're having an amazing spring break.
See you tomorrow, guys.
See you guys.